Hello everyone. Happy February 1st. Today we celebrate Baked Alaska, freedom, and the joy of sweet and symbolic traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Baked Alaska Day, a fiery dessert with ice cream and cake. A great gift could be a dessert torch, a gourmet recipe kit, or a festive serving platter. Have you tried Baked Alaska? Let's flame the comments. It's National Freedom Day, a celebration of liberty and equality. A thoughtful gift could be a commemorative book, a patriotic ornament, or a donation to a freedom cause. What does freedom mean to you? Let's reflect in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's International Face and Body Painting Day, a colorful celebration of creativity in all different styles. A gift could be a paint kit, a themed stencil set, or a festival pass. Have you tried body painting? Let's color the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for March 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.